it's Daniela Weiss. So today I would like to cook, or not cook as the case may be, zucchini ravioli. And the way we're going to do this is quite simply we chop off the end bits and we slice it like this, and then we peel the zucchino like that. Now, there are various ways of doing it. You can do it like this, but you can also take the round bits if you prefer. It just really depends, you know, what you prefer, I guess. So with this, we're just going to go down like this a little bit. Okay, now we take a mandolin. This isn't the best mandolin I've ever had, but it's okay. So always use your helper. You always want to use your helper. I've cut myself once on this and I will not do it again. So we've got these slices here, which are great. Most of them are still without the pips. So because we really want to go to the level where there are not too many of the pips yet. Okay, so we want these thin slices, and what we're going to do with them is we're going to drizzle sea salt on them and some olive oil. And I'm going to grate a few more, but I just want you to see what these look like. So basically, they look like this, and they're quite thin, okay? Right, so I've sliced the zucchino. I have put it on a sheet with olive oil and sea salt, both sides, because you see what happens with the zucchino when you actually put salt on it, it kind of cooks because it just gets softer. So it gets this pasta-like consistency. We're now going to be preparing the sauce, and the sauce is going to be so good. We start off with quart cup of pine nuts. You can also make it half a cup. Quart cup of cashews. I have put in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and I'm going to add some herbs, fresh herbs from the garden. One of them is sage, and this has got this beautiful color. I don't know if you can you see this color? How beautiful this is. It smells gorgeous too. And then I've got the green one as well. It's lovely. And here I've got some thyme, beautiful. Okay, and some fresh rosemary as well. And with rosemary, if you've got a colon, you know, toxic colon of sorts, which we all have really, so we should all be drinking tea. We should all be drinking rosemary tea. And we should be adding rosemary to pretty much anything we eat, you know, whether you toss in a salad or you put it into a sauce like I'm going to be doing right now. It's really important. Rosemary is so good for you. So let me just add this in here. So I've washed them so they're all clean. This is going right in. The more the better. I'm going to add a lot of that. Actually, no, because I've got the sage. So, and we want this to be a little bit cheesy, taste-wise. Put these in, and then put these in. Beautiful. And then a bit of sea salt. And that's it. I'm just going to add some water, and I'm going to blend it, and I'll be right back. Be careful when you add the water, because the consistency you want is a paste. So start with a small quantity. Get the blender going and see what it's like. If you need to add more, just add a little bit more. And if you don't, you've got your paste. So just be real mindful of you know, don't put in too much from the get-go. Okay? Okay, so the sauce is ready. And now I'm going to prepare just 4 of these. So basically I just take a tiny little bit. By the way, you can add some garlic if you want to. I sometimes add garlic as a garnish later on, so I chop it real small, or maybe some cress or something. but that's entirely up to you how you want to garnish this. So now we place a little dollop right in the center of this, and then we place one of these zucchinis on top, like this. And we do the same with the others. Now with these, basically you're ready. All you have to do is put them on a nice plate. You can garnish it with salad or something slightly colorful if you want to. Just go gentle as you put them on the plate. Okay. So, now we can put a little bit more rosemary on there just for the garnish. And you can also put some sun-dried tomatoes, which I also make in the dehydrator. In fact, I've just got some running in there right now. We prepare the food in the dehydrator because it's equal to letting the fruit and the vegetable dry out in the sun, so it doesn't kill the enzymes. That's why we call it living food, and that's the whole idea behind it. So, I don't know if you can see this. There you go. And as I said, you can garnish this whichever way you want to. Sometimes I put a little bit of chili peppers on top just to garnish it, and really whatever you want to do. So now I'm gonna test one of these for you, because you're not here, unfortunately, because I'd love to share these with you. Do you know what? These are perfect. These are so good. So I'm gonna have to eat those. Do you know? If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Whoever wants to be healthy should, or eat healthily. And just a really simple food. You don't have to cook it, you don't have to do anything. All you need is a blender. You don't even need a dehydrator to make these, unless you absolutely want to warm them up. But do share it. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. If you want to ask me any questions, please place them in the comment section, or you can send me a private message on m.me/resetyourbodynow. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Thanks, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.